This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Khairi Salah. This charming 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome with an open floor plan is located in Kentwood Park, Plant City. Upon entering, you'll be welcomed by the spacious first floor, featuring a large living area, a half bath, and a kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll find both generously sized bedrooms and a full bath with a large vanity and bathtub. Enjoy convenient access to the community pool. The low HOA fee covers the pool and access to the clubhouse for special events. This home is ideally situated in the heart of Plant City, close to a variety of restaurants, shopping, and other amenities, with easy commutes to Brandon, Lakeland, Tampa, and I-4, making travel to surrounding areas effortless. For more information, review the details below or contact Khairi Salah at 801-918-7745.